Okay, I am going to go on the fossil discovery trail. I just gave the keys to my brother. He's in the bookstore picking out books, and apparently he's got a really good selection of books to choose from. And he's gonna drive down there and meet me, so I only have to go one way on it. So I plan on going all the way around to there. So, but I only have to go one way, so that's good. So here we go. See if we can discover some fossils. While I'm walking on the trail, I can also keep my eyes open for wildlife. You know, they got lots of deer around here. We saw some while we were driving in, so maybe I'll get to see some deer too. Deer tracks. I'll be crossing the road up here in a minute. The lure of imagination. How much is true in this land of dreams, and how much is fiction, and which is the more fascinating and marvelous? Let us go to the ancient burying place of some of these strange animals and try to read the story that is told there. Then each can judge for himself. Earl Douglas. You can read that too. Well, you can pause and read that. I'm not going to read all of that. As you walk through, let the fossils inspire your imagination. Leave all fossils where you find them, so others will have to also have traces in their dreams about these ancient animals. And this picture, I'll take it. 1910, the big discovery. Let's take a look back. So that must be the tailbone there. See the two groups of people they were saying. But 1910, isn't that cool? Wow. Here it is, 122 years later, and I am walking this trail. And walking the trail, you know, I was talking about tracks and having deer here. Look, I found a blood spot. I'll find a blood trail. And there's some spot there too, and there. Wow, I wonder if they allow hunting on this national monument. Huh. Wow. That sure looks like a trail that a deer had gotten shot would make, like archery or something. Huh. But oh well. I'm looking for fossils that's been here for millions of years. Maybe I'll come across a more recent dead animal. Oh man, look at the follow the trail. Oh, wow. Odds are it got picked up by now. Whoever the hunter was. I assume they can hunt here since I'm seeing that. You see tracks of more, you know, like that. You'd think it's dog tracks, but I know pets are not allowed on the trail. At least that's what the sign says, so I don't know what's up with that. There's footprint. Okay, just came from that direction. I think I found my first fossil here. Or no, this looks like this is a painting, petroglyph or something. Wow. Cool. Man, that's cool. I'm guessing that would be like I can see the tail, the four legs, the nose, ears and horns. I'm guessing either deer or an elk are made. Cool. That's what I'm guessing anyway. Yeah. Oh, that's something down there too. Huh, I imagine that's something too. Man, that's cool. Imagine that's something too. Of course, there's some things that I see someone scratch their name in there. I assume those three that I just looked at were the real thing. Wow. That's what it looks like here. Man, beautiful, quiet, and peaceful. I'm heading that direction. Walking on snow now. It's not deep, it's just very easy to walk on. And I spy a sign up here, so I might be looking at something else in a second. Okay, fish scale fossils. Wow, 100 million years ago, they're saying. I think that's part of the trail. You can go out there and then come back. I sure hope that the scales fossils will be on the right side instead of the side of the snow. You won't be able to see them on this side. Huh. Okay, I started down there. I came up this far, and I have not been able to see any fish scale fossils. But I'm not going to go any further than this because I don't want. Not sure how far we can go. So, but there are footprints up here, so I know I'm not too far yet. So I'm going to head back down to where that sign is and continue down the trail that way. Okay, I'm down, heading back down the trail that way. Nice and quiet down here. Wonder if there's anything in there. I don't see anything. Right along the trail here. Look how that looks. It's exactly like at the Badlands National Park kind of stuff. Cool. It's like goes up there and it goes up to way up there, it looks like, and then come back down and the trail continues, it looks like, from here. So probably going to be going up there next. Morrison Formation. Okay. see, 100 years ago. Okay, maybe we'll have better luck finding dinosaur fossils up here. Here we go. Going up that way, they have white arrows pointing at the at the larger ones. The arrow up there. And there, it's one of the dinosaur fossils. Ha! And I would not, never would noticed it if there was no arrow there. I wouldn't even have any idea what to look for. Gosh. Cool. Man. That's what it looks like. It's actually pretty steep going down that way too, off the trail. Not a kind of follower would kill you, but you sure would be hurting for a while. All right, let's go further up the trail here. Okay, this is as high as far as the spur goes. I came from that direction where those people are going towards. They have a nice view up here, isn't it? In a little bit, I'll be going down and continue on. But I would imagine they'd have more than just one white arrow at pointing at. So I haven't seen any others. But I'm not an expert, so it's not like I know exactly what to look for. I'm going to put the camera down and take a look with my own eyes for a while and see if I can pick anything out. Okay, I came all the way down. On the way down, I stopped every like 10 feet or so, just take and look closely at the wall, and I did not see any more fossils. It does not mean that they're not there. It's just that I don't know what to look for them unless there's a white arrow pointing at it. So I am not the one to go fossil hunting with. Okay, I'm heading down the trail. Continuing on. Oh, that view. Beautiful. Just came from that direction. Came up to this sign. Got a stump formation there. Of course, where I came from, the Morrison Formation Visitor Center. So I'm going to be going down to the stump formation. Then I'm going to be climbing up those steps to go up there. And that will be the end of the trail. But let's go take a look at the stump formation. Okay, approaching the sign, and it looks like it's the end of the trail here. Clam fossils, okay? Okay. Okay, let's see what the clam fossils look like. Okay. Now I'll see if I can find I'll put the camera down and look, and then I'll dig it out if I find any. But I'm not going to get my hopes up. Okay, I think they have this big chunk here laying here. I think that these are clam fossils here. Kind of looks like what I see in that picture on that sign, so. Yeah, I'm going to say that I successfully found clams fossils right on that big slab that's right there, right in front of me. I did some more looking around too, but is that anything there? No, just let's go take a look at that picture on here and see if that looks like it. Just what I looked at. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna say those were the clam fossils there. Okay, I'm not going any further than this, so we'll head back down the main trail and go up those steps. Ooh. Oh man, made it up. Beautiful view. Ooh, gotta catch my breath after climbing up that. Oh, I'm not used to being at this higher elevation. But here we are. I made it to the end of the fossil discovery trail, the opposite end. And this is the road I crossed at early on. So if I walked down there, I could go to the right and go back to where I started at the visitor center. But I'll see if my brother's up here though. Because that's what the plan was. He's probably up here by now. We'll see. Yeah, just came up the road here. This is the parking area. And now I'm just going to take and sit down and rest. Wow. All right, I had to have a seat.